Hi, my name is Deborah Leverton, and I'm so glad to have you here. I wanted to tell you a little bit about myself. I've been a stay-at-home mom for 18 years, and I've homeschooled my children for 13 years. So all the time I've been a stay-at-home mom, I've tried to find ways to bring in income from home, probably like many of you. I've taught piano, I've sold on eBay and Amazon and Poshmark, and I even had my own website selling scrapbook products, and all of that was great. It helped bring in some income. But the thing I enjoyed the most was teaching English online as a second language. So I did that. It was almost not like a job. It was so much fun. And I did have my struggles. I have had thyroid cancer twice, and my second surgery, they cut my vocal nerve, so I have a paralyzed vocal cord. The only reason you can hear me is because I had more surgery and a nerve transplant, so I'll always have a paralyzed vocal cord, but I got most of my voice back. Maybe it's a little softer than some people's, but I can talk. And so I was teaching online. I had to quit for a while because I had no voice, and I went back to teaching, and then their government came in, shut us down. No more foreign tutors. So that was really difficult because I loved that so much. It brought in income and helped our family out tremendously. And you know, it's kind of hard to make it on one income these days. It's always nice to have some help to get those bills paid. So that was such a dread in me, thinking of going back to the times where we've had to pinch pennies, wonder how we're going to pay the bills. And over the years, I had learned about affiliate marketing. I built sales funnels. I set up email autoresponders. I did so much of the work, but I always stopped short of driving traffic to my affiliate offers. Some of that is called imposter syndrome. You figure, I don't know enough. I don't know what I'm selling. Some of it's because you don't maybe believe in the product. A lot of products on ClickBank and places like that are, they're not that great. And so you just have that thing inside of you, like, I don't want to be dishonest and promote this product because I don't really believe in it, or I don't know much about it. That kind of stopped me. And also not knowing how to drive traffic to my offers. That is a huge part that most people struggle with, right? You just don't even know how to get people to your offers, to get them to buy. So I decided to go all in, to learn all I could. And so I'll be sharing with you things that I've learned. Maybe you know more than me, and that's okay. Maybe I know more than you, and I can help you grow in your business. But I'm just excited that you're here. We can learn to grow together, we can help each other, and learn how to bring in that passive income so that you don't have to worry about having your bills paid, being able to be there for your children. I'm not going to lie to you, it's going to take work to get your system set up, okay? There's a lot of initial work up front, and it's hard as a stay-at-home parent to find that time. But I promise you, if you carve out that time consistently, put in the effort, do the steps that you're taught, you're going to get somewhere, and you're going to be really happy about that. The program that helped me get my start was my now mentor, Jonathan Montoya. I got his 3-day business challenge. So that helped me so much, just getting started, getting the pieces in place. Things have changed over the years. Things are not the same as they were back when I started learning, and they've changed over time. So his mentorship has helped me grow so much, helped me learn the things that I need to know to catapult my business. I'm really glad you're here. Let's get started. Let's be action takers. Do what you learn. It's going to be outside of your comfort zone sometimes, I guarantee you. I still have times I'm like, I don't think I can do that, but you can. Don't be afraid. Keep going forward. Take one step at a time. And before you know it, you will be where you want to be. So let's go. Let's get started.